The Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangadan is a system of central government schools in India. A uniform curriculum is followed by schools all over India by providing common syllabus and system of education. Madam Nidhi Pandey, IAS, is the head of KVS. She is our commissioner. There are 25 regions and each region is headed by a deputy commissioner. We are from Chennai region. Our deputy commissioner is Dr. Srimati M. Rajeshwari and Shri Ramanandam sir is our assistant commissioner. Now I take you to the virtual tour to KV Meenambakam. KV Meenambakam is the heart of Chennai, Tamil Nadu. It falls under Chennai region. Madam Srimati Chitra Mukundan is our principal. Kendriya Vidyalaya Meenambakam is 3 kilometers away from Chennai airport. Kendriya Vidyalaya Meenambakam aims at providing a conducive environment to stimulate intellectual growth of each child, thereby ensuring that their energy is properly channelized in the right direction. This is another one big stage. Mainly we have all our annual day functions here. The Vidyalaya is equipped with proper facilities for the students and teachers, which creates an environment conducive to learning. This is the main entrance of a school surrounded by greenery everywhere. It is our main stage and the morning assembly program is taken place only here. This is our primary stage. It is our lobby. Parents will be waiting here to meet the principal. Sometimes some mini functions are held here. This is a beautiful garden just in front of principal's chamber. Now we are going to enter principal's room.
Welcome dear parents and students to class 1 of Kendriya Vidyalaya Meenambakam. We have joined a very prestigious institution and I am sure your wards will benefit from the journey here. For those parents who do not understand Tamil, Vanakkam, welcome. Kendriya Vidyalaya Meenambakam ஒரு நல்ல prestigious school. உங்க குழந்தைங்க இங்க படிச்சு நல்ல values, நல்ல subject knowledge எல்லாம் they will get and they will grow up to be good, kind individuals. I solicit the cooperation of parents in training children. Remember, ஒரே ஒன்று நீங்க எல்லாரும் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். आप सबको एक ही चीज याद रखना है. जब स्कूल है, ऑनलाइन क्लास में बच्चे को जरूर भेजना है. The child should wear uniform. Uniform போட்டுட்டு correct timeல உட்கார்ந்தா குழந்தைங்க if they attend classes, our teachers are so experienced. I'm sure they'll benefit and learn well. It will be a very enjoyable process. And once again, I welcome all the students and parents to Kendriya Vidyalaya Meenambakam. God bless you all. Thank you.
It is our office. She is Madam Mrs. Batma. Now she is our Vice Principal, Mrs. Bensi Sam. He is our Mr. Dhanush, Office Clerk. Now we are moving to primary wing. Madam, she is Mrs. Usha Shivaji, HM in charge.
I welcome you all for this academic year 21-22 to our school, Kendriya Vidyalaya Meenambakam. Really, we are very happy to meet you. All the best to every one of you children. Thank you.
I'm Rajesh, your librarian, and now I am sorry I am not able to take you to the library because of the pandemic. And when the situation becomes conducive, you all are welcome to library. I'll take you to a physical tour instead of this virtual. And now for the time being, all the best for you. Now you can just have a look at the library.
It is our primary computer lab. Primary Children Park. This is first standard class. All the first standard classes with innovative decorations. All the section will be decorated in the same way. It gives learning atmosphere to all the children. The class starts with the prayer. Well, discipline is maintained in all the classes. Each subject notebook is covered with a different color to avoid confusion. School readiness program in first standard. Identification of colors and shape. An activity in class 1. So many activities are taken place for the class 1 children. Coloring, clay modeling. It improves their hand-eye coordination, flexibility in fingers, concentration, color choosing, etc. Identification of alphabet, word building. Each and every activity is observed by Principal Madam. Collage work with a different medium. It improves so many qualities. Finishing, neatness, arranging in an order, so many values, and hand-eye coordination, again concentration, etc. Diya decoration. Numerals through rhymes.
Oh!
sing the action song. Innovative classroom activity.
Srimati Chitra Mukundan Madam, Deputy Commissioner Dr. Rajeshwari Madam, prestigious Vice Principal Madam, esteemed Headmistress Madam, teachers, and my dear friends, I am Miss Tejas and I am studying in 3rd Standard A section. I appreciate my Principal, Vice Principal and Headmistress Madam. They have attended every assembly program since the year 2019 because I joined in that year. I also appreciate all the teachers in our school for their struggling hard to teach the children in the school. They are ready to teach them new topics in an understanding manner. The culturals conducted at our school are singing and dancing. We celebrate all the festivals here at our school. The competitions like running race and frog jumps are very energetic. The other competitions in my school are Olympiad exams, spell bee competition, solo singing and solo dancing competition. If pandemic had not hit India, then we would have gone for field trips. Chitra ma'am always encourages us with her smile in the school. I am very happy to be a part of KVV Nambakam. You are also welcome. Thank you.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். என் பெயர் கன்யா. நான் கேந்திர வித்யாலயா மீனம்பாக்கம் பள்ளியில் 3ஆம் வகுப்பு படிக்கிறேன். நான் இன்று என் ஆரம்ப பள்ளி வகுப்புகள் பற்றி கூறப் போகிறேன். என் வகுப்பு ஆசிரியர் பெயர் டி பாலாஜாய் டாடி அவர்கள். நான் 1ஆம் வகுப்பு படிக்கும் பொழுது என் வகுப்பறை மிகவும் அழகாக வண்ண காகிதங்களால் அலங்கரிக்கப்பட்டிருக்கும். அதில் பாடம் சம்பந்தமான தகவல்கள் எழுதியும் வரைந்தும் இருக்கும். அதனால் நாங்கள் பாடங்களை எளிதாக புரிந்து கொள்ள முடிந்தது. படிப்பு மட்டும் இல்லாமல் நிறைய போட்டிகள் வைத்து அதில் வெற்றி பெறுபவர்களுக்கு பரிசளித்து ஊக்கப்படுத்துவார்கள். எங்களின் கல்வி கற்கும் ஆர்வத்தை அதிகரிக்கும் வகையில் ஆசிரியர்கள் ஒவ்வொரு பாடத்திலும் புத்தகத்தில் இருப்பது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் பல்வேறு புது தகவல்களை கற்றுத் தருவார்கள். பாடம் சம்பந்தமான பல செயல்களை சொந்தமாக யோசித்து செய்ய தூண்டுவார்கள். கொரோனா பேரிடர் காலத்திலும் ஆன்லைன் மற்றும் பிபிடி மூலமாக நேரடி வகுப்பில் கற்பிப்பது போலவே பாடங்களை சிறப்பாக கற்பிக்கின்றனர். ஆசிரியர்களின் ஊக்குவிப்பு மற்றும் முயற்சியால் எங்களால் சிறந்த மாணவராக உருவாக முடியும் என்ற நம்பிக்கை உள்ளது. எனது பள்ளியில் இருக்கும் அனைத்து ஆசிரியர்களுக்கும் எனது நன்றியை மகிழ்ச்சியுடன் தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன்.
Now let me introduce the class teachers for this academic year 2021 and 22. First standard teachers. 1A class teacher Mrs. Rohini, the senior most teacher. and Mr. Satish Panda sir. Both will be handling class 1A. Miss Aruna, the senior most teacher, and Mrs. Rukmani ma'am, they both are handling class 1B. Mrs. Smita and Mrs. Uma madam, both are handling 1C. All are the senior most teachers of our Vidyalaya. She is our music teacher. A glimpse of computer-aided teaching in class 1. Let's listen from the parent.
Hello everyone. My child is studying in KV Meenambakkam. I would like to say a few things about the school. The teachers here are very tech savvy. The activities conducted at the school are at par with international school. Few events I happen to witness as a parent. The teachers are very much engrossed in the activities and they're fully dedicated towards it. Parallelly, they were encouraging these students also. The best example is our principal, Chitra ma'am. She had this constant, encouraging, beautiful smile on her face throughout the event, which will instill confidence into any child. From the beginning, the school teaches about the discipline and the values. Our children should be considered very lucky to be guided under the teachers of KV Meenambakkam. And few teachers are national award winners like our Bala ma'am. She happens to be my child's idol also. And I would say that I'm very lucky that I got KV Meenambakkam to be trained by the best and the best of the teachers. Thank you.
Physically disabled children are taken care by the teachers. No child is unattended in our school. What else is not there in KV Meenambakkam? Really, your wards are so blessed and lucky to get admission in KV Meenambakkam. Make use of that. Higher officials are visiting our schools and they give their feedback. Every day some value-based assembly programs are given by primary children.
Don't be scared of being what. Thank you. Be grateful. I am grateful for what I have. So every night before bedtime, I say thank you the Lord for something I have. Thank you. Be perfect. If you want to be perfect, go and give to the poor. Thank you.
There's only one thing I know, that is hard work. Morning, we witnessed a beautiful, I will say, an exemplary performance by class 1 student. That is not only a highly enjoyable experience, but we can draw so much of lessons and inspiration from these young kids.
KVS Foundation Day celebration. Bye.